What up, YouTube? It's been a fucking minute. Yo, this problem was tripping me out earlier with the elementary type will damage your computer. And this shit was popping up like fucking nonstop, like da 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 every time I try to close it, show and finder. And I was like looking online and could barely find anything. Everyone's trying to make you pay for some bullshit. Sorry, I just took a bong rip. Anyways, I have the solution. And I was looking for like 2 days, like nonstop, and it was just popping up, and like I thought I would have to completely reset my computer, but no. So I'm gonna keep it quick and give you guys exactly the solution. Like, don't trip. Search up AVG antivirus for Mac or Windows, and then this shit will come up. So dope. It's free. It's free. You can get like you can pay to upgrade and shit, but I never did that. You don't need to do that. What you got to do is scan Mac. Oh shit. No, stop. Scan. Stop. Okay, click those 3 dots and do a deep scan. Because I did a Mac scan 3 times and I found the file, deleted it. It moves it to quarantine and you like delete it, restart the computer. That shit was still popping up.
Deep scan.
So you got to just start out, do a deep scan, let your computer run for, I don't know how long it will take for you. For me, it took like 30 minutes. So then just clear it all and then go back to computer. And there's this thing called quarantine here. And then just open that up and delete it all, restart the computer, and it will be gone. Promise. Got you, fam. It will be gone, but you have to make sure to go to quarantine here and delete it. Because if you don't, then you didn't delete it permanently. All right? Whew. Yeah, and that's that. That literally solves your problem. Don't have to deal with other shit. So, and make sure you keep AVG antivirus because it will then make sure you're not downloading any more viruses on your computer. Like, it'll find them. Okay. Venmo in description. Thank you.